Hey, good morning everybody. I got my bolts today. I got my toolbox. I put the other toolbox under here like I did the other side. Well, I think I got the right bolts this time. Last time they were a little short. Hey Regina.
Who are you talking to?
Myself.
Oh.
I like to talk to myself.
That's good. You answer yourself?
Yeah, if you don't have no friends, you just talk to yourself.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Alright, look at that.
What do you take pictures for?
What I take pictures for?
Yeah.
Because I like to document everything I do. So the kids can see it when they grow up.
I know what you're doing. You're making a movie.
Making
How
a
to
movie?
Change your tires.
Yeah, how to change the tires. But in the meantime, we're going to put it in the toolbox. Okay, I want to make sure that it's level this way. Got the side nice and straight this way, and it's back under there. It's sticking out a little bit that way in front. I just want to make sure I give enough clearance here. That looks pretty good. What do you think? Now I gotta unlock it so we can drill some holes and stuff. So now I found my trusty drill bit. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna drill holes at. Now the thing is, I want to make sure I drill them through the two before, so I have a good thick solid piece of wood all the way through to when I bolt it down. So I think right here is going to be good. That one. I know I stood right in the way when I drilled them, so. And that's going to go in there like so. And yeah, buddy, it's. Okay, so now I'm using my impact gun. Tighten that down as tight as I can tighten with that. And then we're going to do another one. Now this one, I'm going to put them all the way over here on the end. Because I think that's the best place to put them. So, here we go. Put another one. I'm going to put another one down here. About right here. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see what it looks like here. Let's see, take the jack out.
Well, you didn't give yourself much space between that toolbox and that tire.
How much space do I need?
I guess that's enough. Is that it?
No, I'm gonna put, if I got the right size here. If I got the right size, I'm gonna put some locking nuts on there.
That'll help.
These locking nuts have a little rubber piece in here, so when you tighten it down, it won't come loose.
That's good.
I thought you would do that. All right, tighten these up again.
Got it? Come back here where it's warm.
All right. Okay, so I got the toolbox on. It's pretty good. Now I'm going to take everything out of here and put it in here and take this off the truck because I don't like this up here. But that's it for this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll have another one for you soon. And we'll do something else to the old truck here soon. You guys have a fantastic day.